Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zendesk for dropshipping customer support tickets, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Zendesk account. Navigate to the admin panel by clicking the gear icon on the sidebar. Under the Channels section, select Email. Set up your support email address where customers will send their inquiries. Make sure to verify your email address to ensure functionality. Next, head to the Business Rules section in the admin panel. Click on Triggers. Create a new trigger specifically for dropshipping tickets. Set the condition to check if the ticket subject contains keywords like order or shipping. Define the actions for this trigger, such as notify. Now, go to the Views section in the admin panel. Create a custom view to display only dropshipping related tickets. Set criteria to filter tickets based on tags related to dropshipping. Next, navigate to the Automations section. Create an automation that regularly checks for overdue tickets. Set the condition to identify tickets that are past due for a customer response. Define actions to notify agents or escalate the ticket as necessary. Then, go to the Apps section in Zendesk. Explore the Zendesk marketplace for useful integrations that can streamline your dropshipping support. Install any relevant apps, such as shipping integrations or inventory management tools. Next, head over to the Macros section. Create canned responses for frequently asked questions associated with dropshipping. This will save time and ensure consistency in responses. Then, configure the triggers to respond to common dropshipping inquiries automatically. Set conditions to identify tickets related to refunds or exchanges, and create specific responses for each. Finally, train your support team on the new system. Provide guidelines on how to handle dropshipping tickets effectively. Regularly review and update your configurations based on customer feedback and support trends. This will ensure your dropshipping customer support remains efficient and effective. Now you have a fully configured Zendesk system tailored for dropshipping customer support tickets. Implement these steps to enhance your customer service experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.